मी बंद केला असती.
Hello everyone, my name is Om, and today discuss about thread life cycle. Thread life cycle is Java is a fundamental to understanding how threads behave within a Java application. Thread are a lightweight process that can run concurrently within a program, allowing for the task to execute independently. In Java, in Java, thread management is handled throughout is the thread class and related construct in java.lang package. Thread state, thread state in Java can exist in the various state throughout their life cycle. The main state include new when a thread is instant, but now it started with the start method. Runnable after calling start method, the thread become ready to run and wait for its turn to be executed by the thread scheduler. Blocked thread can be blocked when it is waiting for a monitor log to enter a synchronized block or method, or offer some IO operation to complete. Waiting a thread enters the waiting state by calling object wait method, thread join method, or log supporter dot park, and until it notified or interpreted. Time waiting is similar to the waiting state, but with a timeout. Thread can enter a time waiting state by calling methods like thread sleep or object wait timeout. The thread has been compiled its execution or been terminated due to an exceptions. Thread life cycle stage. First one. When a thread is created, it is the new state. This means that the thread has been instant but not yet started. Number second, runnable. After calling start method on the thread object, the thread moves to the runnable state. Here, the thread is scary. The thread is ready to run, but it up to the thread scheduler to allocate CPU time. Running once the thread scheduler select the thread from the runnable pool. The thread moves to the running state. This is where the actual execution of the threads run method occurs. Number 4, blocks. Running thread can move the blocked state is waiting for a resource that is currently unavailable, such as waiting to acquire a lock that another thread holds. 5, waiting. A thread can enter the waiting state when it need to wait for another thread to perform a particular action, such as calling wait method and object waiting for notification from another thread. Number 6, time waiting. Similar to waiting but with a timeout period. This state occurs when a thread call method like sleep method or join method with a specified timeout value. Numbers are terminated. A thread terminated enters the terminated state when in a finish executing its run method to terminates. Abroad due to and exceptions. Transition between states. A thread can transition between this state based on certain conditions. A new thread becomes runnable when start is called. A runnable thread becomes running when the scheduler fails. It a running thread can become blockbuster. Blocked is needs to wait response. A blocked thread becomes runnable again when the resource become available. A running thread is a volumetricity center the waiting or time waiting state using method like wait or sleep. Thread in a waiting method or timeout waiting method state become runnable again when they are notified when the timeout expire. A running thread enters the terminated state when is run method completes. Managing thread life cycle. Developers must be aware of the thread life cycle, property, optimize performance. Thank you. It's all about life cycle thread.